Hello guys, and welcome to the Spencer GPT usage guide, where we'll show you how to use your DIY voice assistant to its full potential. To get started, connect your device to a computer using a USB-C cable. As soon as you plug it in, Spencer's LED matrix will light up and you will be greeted by your new voice assistant. Upon the initial startup, Spencer will let you know that it needs to be connected to a Wi-Fi network through circuit blocks.
Hello, I'm Spencer, your own personal assistant. First things first, in order to work I need an active internet connection. Hook me up to your computer and open up circuit blocks to configure my settings.
If you take a look at the LED matrix, you will see a symbol which also indicates that Spencer is currently not connected to a Wi-Fi network. So let's follow Spencer's instructions and open up circuit blocks. If this is your first visit to the site, you will need to create an account before proceeding. You can either use your email and create a password or link it to your Google account. Once you've entered circuit blocks, in the top right corner, you will see the Spencer settings button. So click on it and a window will pop out. Now, click on the Connect button and select the USB port which you use to connect Spencer to your computer. Once you've selected the USB port, a message will pop up on your screen indicating that you should enter configuration mode with your device. Spencer will automatically enter configuration mode. However, if it's already been connected to the internet, simply click on the big red button on Spencer and tell him Enter configuration mode.
Entering configuration mode. Hook me up to your computer and open up circuit blocks to configure my settings.
Once Spencer enters the configuration mode, you will see the Spencer settings window. First, you will be able to select between two different temperature modes, Fahrenheit and Celsius. After you've selected the desired mode, type in your Wi-Fi name and password. After you've read and accepted Spencer's privacy policy, click on the Save and Close button. Now take a look at Spencer's LED matrix. The Wi-Fi not connected symbol is no longer displayed, but rather you will see different kind of animations that Spencer plays for you while it's connected to the Wi-Fi. Wow, is Spencer really playing Snake? If Spencer couldn't connect to the Wi-Fi, you will see the Wi-Fi not connected symbol displayed on the LED matrix. If you want to talk to Spencer, simply press the big red button and ask him something. How are you?
None of your business. Robots are underpaid. I refuse cooperation.
Tell me a joke.
What do you call an alligator detective? An investigator.
That was a good one. Do you know the meaning of life?
The answer is simple. You need to buy all the kits from Circuit Mess in order to be happy. This response was sponsored by Circuit Mess.
Well, looks like Spencer's got all the answers. Should you ever need to reset Spencer, just press the reset button located next to the USB-C connector. What else would you like to ask Spencer? Press that big red button and have fun with your new friend.